In this video, I will show you how to enable the Windows Copilot in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. In order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up your settings on your PC. And from your settings, what you're going to want to do is come across to the menu on the left-hand side, click onto personalization, and then select taskbar, and you're going to see the Copilot preview option here. So you're going to see it selected to off. So all you want to do is turn this switch on. And once you've gone ahead and done that, you'll notice that that would have been added to your taskbar. So what you can do is click on this to load it. And this is what it's going to look like once it's been enabled. So it's similar to the Bing AI. You can see the layout is very similar, and all you need to do is go ahead and ask it questions, and that's how you can go ahead and enable Windows Copilot on a Windows 11 PC. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.